Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel all about VLSI. In our previous sessions, we have discussed about UART Testbench architecture, what are the components which we are going to have in our UART Testbench, and how to develop your interface file, generator file, and transaction file and driver file. Up to this we have completed in our previous sessions. Now in this particular session, let us try to develop our UART monitor. So let us see how to develop that. So I'm just going to write down class UART underscore monitor, and let me declare the interface instance virtual UART underscore interface, and the mod port monitor is my mod port name, and followed by the interface handle instance VIF. Now I'm going to declare a new function new, and this new function is going to expect an argument of interface type UART underscore if dot monitor, and followed by the handle name, that is VIF. And let us declare one mailbox handle also inside this. So how to declare it? Mailbox monitor to scoreboard is the mailbox handle name which we are going to declare. So this also we will expect in the argument mailbox monitor to scoreboard. So these are my arguments which I have declared inside my UART. Now so I'm going to assign them to the local variables. So this dot VIF is equal to VIF, and this dot monitor to scoreboard is equal to monitor to scoreboard. So followed by end function. Now what I'm going to write down is the run task run. So I should also declare the UART transaction handle. I will declare that UART underscore transaction. So I have declared my UART transaction handle. Now in the run task, what I am going to do is within forever begin block, forever begin. So at passage of VIF dot ready, if my ready is equal to 1, then I am going to first of all create the instance of my transaction class. Next, I am going to assign my data which is present inside my interface to the local handle, that is txn dot data underscore out, which I am getting from the UART, which will be present inside your interface. So basically data out which is present in the interface which was given by our UART design, which will be collected into the transaction file, and we are going to display it. So txn dot display monitor captured the data, so which I'm going to display. And after displaying this, I'm going to send this particular data to the scoreboard. So how I'm going to send it? Using the scoreboard handle monitor to scoreboard dot put of transaction. So after getting the data, I'm putting the data into the mailbox. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign my ready underscore clear, VIF dot ready underscore, and followed by end, and end task, and end class. That's it. So this is my UART monitor class. So what I've done, basically I've declared a class which is known as UART monitor, and I've also declared the UART interface handle, and followed by mailbox handle, and I've also declared the transaction handle, and new function I've tried to copy the interface instance to the local copy and mailbox instance to the local copy, and followed by end function. And in the run task within the forever begin block, I have created the instance and I have collected the data which is present inside my interface to the transaction handle, and I am displayed it. After that, I have put that particular data to the scoreboard. Yes. So this is my monitor class, and in our next video we are going to see how to develop your environment, scoreboard, and reference model. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel all about VLSI. Thank you for watching this video.